Hello kids, welcome to Maths class. This is Binal Devans Choksi from Baroda High School ONGC, Standard 7. Let us learn chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals. First of all, let us understand what is fraction. As you all have studied in your previous standard, let us revise once. Fraction is a number that expresses equal parts of a whole object or set of objects. Okay, like if there is any one object and you are dividing them in equal parts, that means numerator will be your part and the denominator will be the whole. Okay, so fractions are nothing but in the form of 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 4 by 7. So all in all, if you see, fraction is in the form of a divided by b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator. Let us see some examples. First of all, if you have to divide this pizza into 6 equal parts, this watermelon into 4 equal parts, and this lemon into 8 equal parts, then each of the part of pizza will be said as 1 by 6, watermelon part will be said as 1 by 4, and lemon parts will be said as 1 by 8, each of the part. Okay, so the 1 is number of the part and 6 is the total number of parts. Correct? So actually fractions are the form of a by b, where b cannot be 0. But why so? Why b cannot be 0? Means denominator cannot be 0. Let's think. If the denominator will be 0, that means you have to divide the whole part into 0 parts. Is it so? तो अगर हमें पूरे होल ऑब्जेक्ट को 0 से डिवाइड करना है तो हमें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. अगर हम डिवाइड नहीं करते, दैट मीन्स फ्रैक्शन विल नॉट एग्जिस्ट. करेक्ट? दैट्स वाई दिस पार्ट्स कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 0 पार्ट्स. अदरवाइज देयर विल बी remain the same part. Correct? That's why the denominator cannot be 0 in mathematics. This is the golden rule of the maths. Now let us look at the types of fractions. First is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, and third is mixed fraction. Okay, where proper fractions, you have numerator will be less than denominator, like 5 by 6. Okay, where 5 is less than 6. Improper fractions, you always have numerator greater than or equal to the denominator, where 8 by 6. And mixed fraction is nothing but whole number plus part. Okay, where 1 is the whole number and 2 by 6 is a fraction form. Fine. So here there are some fractions. Which are they? Proper fraction, right? Because their numerators are less than the denominator. Now here can you think of the fractions? Which are they? In the first picture, the shaded part is 1 by 2. Second picture, 1 by 4. And third picture is also 1 by 4. Correct? So, fractions with numerator smaller than the denominator are nothing but proper fraction. Here all are these proper fractions. Correct? Can you write some of the proper fraction examples? Improper fractions, where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Means, suppose 4 friends are given 5 chocolates. That means the fraction will be 5 divided by 4. Correct? Let's see some other examples of improper fractions, that is 3 by 2, 6 by 3, 5 by 5, 40 by 16. Okay, these are some of the improper fractions. You can also write some of the examples in your notebook. Like 10 by 9, 6 by 5, 5 by 4, 11 by 3. Isn't it? Therefore, improper fractions are fractions with denominator smaller than the numerator. Okay, जिसके denominators numerator से छोटे होते हैं. Have you observed the difference between proper and improper fractions? Don't get confused. In proper fractions, whenever you perform a normal division on a proper fraction, the answer will always be less than 1. Okay? And in improper fraction, your answer will always be more than 1. Point to be noted in your notebook. Okay? So, you can write some of the proper fractions and their division will always be less than 1. And some of the improper fractions where the division will always be greater than 1. See here, how will you divide this? 5 by 4. Now, do you know this improper fractions can also be written in some other form? What is that? If you divide 5 chocolates in 4 equal parts, that means you have to divide these 5 chocolates in among your 4 friends. Okay, so how will you distribute them? Like this, correct? One chocolate will be distributed equally and the remaining one you have to distribute in equal 4 parts, correct? So what we will do, we can divide this remaining 1 chocolate in 4 equal parts and distribute among your 4 friends. That means each of your friend will get 1 and 1/4 part of the chocolate out of 5, correct? That means that 5 chocolates are now equally divided into 1 and 1/4 part. That is nothing but your mixed fraction. If you divide this 5 by 4 in division form, okay, so how will you write this division form as a mixed fraction? This quotient 1 will be written as the whole, correct? Then remainder 1 will be written in fraction form as a numerator and divisor will be written as denominator in the fraction form. So what can we say about mixed fractions? That mixed fractions are another way of writing improper fraction. Means you can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. So here our revision is completed. Let us move to the main topic of the chapter, that is addition and subtraction of fraction. Let us start with an example. Suppose 2 of your friends are having half of the chocolate each. Then in total, how many chocolates they have? So 1 by 2 is half plus 1 by 2, that will be 2 by 2. Okay. So 2 divided by 2 is nothing but 1. So in total they have 1 whole chocolate. Correct? Observe that here we have not added denominators. We have added the numerators. Okay. So while adding, we won't add the denominators. They never get added. क्या होता है, सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर्स को ही ऐड करते हैं. 1 plus 1 is 2 and the denominator is remain same. Fine. So this is how we will add. और add करने के लिए हमारे पास like fractions होना ज़रूरी है. What are the like fractions? जिसके denominators same होते हैं. For example 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. तो अगर आप उसके शेडेड पार्ट्स को भी देखें, दे आर एक्चुअली इक्वल. तो जब पार्ट्स इक्वल में होते हैं तो उन्हें ऐड करना ईजी हो जाता है. सपोज 3 by 5 प्लस 1 by 5. तो अगर आप उसके डायग्राम को देखें, द होल ऑब्जेक्ट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ठीक है, जिसमें से आप क्या कर रहे हैं, 3 1/5 प्लस 1/5. ओके, मतलब 3 1/5 के साथ एक और को जोड़ दें तो कितने 1/5 पार्ट्स मिलेंगे, 4. That is why 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Now look at this picture. In the first figure, the whole object is divided into how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. And how many parts are shaded? 3. In the second picture, 2 parts are shaded out of 8. And the final resultant figure is your addition of the given fractions. Okay, so first fraction is 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8 will be nothing but 5 by 8. So here we are not adding the denominators but numerators. Okay, so whenever we are adding the fractions, we always be careful that numerators will be added not denominators. And fractions can only be added if they have the same denominators. मतलब like fractions अगर है तो ही उसका addition possible है. What if they are not with the same denominator? अगर आपके दो फ्रैक्शंस है जिसके डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है, दैट मीन्स दे आर अनलाइक. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इन दैट केस? लेट अस सी. सपोज आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया है कंप्लीट करने के लिए. अगर आपका हाफ प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हुआ है और आपके फ्रेंड का 1/3 ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हुआ है, ठीक है, तो इन टोटल कितना प्रोजेक्ट आपने कंप्लीट किया है? दैट मीन्स 1/2 प्लस 1/3 विल बी व्हाट? ओके, तो अगर आप फिगर को भी देखें आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि ये 1/2 और 1/3 को मैं ऐड कैसे करूं, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट इन इक्वल फॉर्म. करेक्ट. तो हम क्या करेंगे, उससे पहले इक्वल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दीज अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. ये जो डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं उसको इक्वल डिनोमिनेटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. और वो कैसे करते हैं? जैसे पहले हम जब दो फ्रैक्शंस को कंपेयर करना होता था और उसमें आपके डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स होते थे, तो हम क्या करते थे, दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स को पहले सेम करते थे, राइट, विद द हेल्प ऑफ एलसीएम. That means here also we will apply the same LCM method to convert these unlike fraction into like fractions. So simply calculate what would be the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. तो जो 1/2 और 1/3 वाली ये फिगर है, आप उसको क्या करोगे, 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दोगे तो आपको फर्स्ट एडेंड सेकेंड एडेंड सम वाली फिगर दिखेगी. ओके, तो हम क्या कर रहे थे, 1/2 प्लस 1/3, तो आपका सम जो है वो इजीली आपको 1/6 के फॉर्म में मिल जाएगा. तो अगर हम इसको कैलकुलेशन की प्रोसेस से देखें तो LCM इज इक्वल्स टू 6. तो सिंपली यू जस्ट फॉलो द प्रोसेस, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 एंड 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. सेम वे जहाँ पे फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन में हम 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, वैसे 1 को भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सेम वे जहाँ पे 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उसके न्यूमरेटर 1 को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में फ्रैक्शंस कौन से मिल जाएंगे, 3/6 प्लस 2/6. एंड नाउ योर न्यूमरेटर्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स आर रेडी टू ऐड because denominators are same, 6. Simply 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. So your answer is 5/6. Let us now move on to subtraction. What if you have to subtract the fractions 3/4 minus 1/4? Now here also you have to be very careful about the fractions. They should be like fractions because in subtraction also denominators should be the same. Fine. So here you can say denominator is same 4. So simply subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2, that is 2/4, and it is nothing but 1/2 because 2/4 is equivalent fraction of 1/2. Correct? Now what if they are not equal? Like 4/3 minus 5/4. So here your denominators are not same. Correct? 3 and 4. So what you will do, here also you will apply the LCM method. So what would be the LCM of 3 and 4? It is 12. Yes, 3 4s are 12. So now what we are going to do, we will multiply 3 with 4 and 4 with 3 because we want to make this 3 and 4 into 12. So जिस नंबर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी नंबर को न्यूमरेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Fine. So you will get the next step, 16/12 minus 15/12. So now easily you can subtract 16 minus 15 is 1. So your answer is 1/12. Now what if you change the order of this? Means 15/12 minus 16/12 will give you minus 1/12, which is nothing but a negative fraction which lies on the left side of the 0. Okay. Simple. Now try these addition and subtractions in your notebook. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.